Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn about number formatting in Excel. Excel provides you quite a few options for number formatting, and we will try to understand all of them today. Usually what we use Excel is to either type in numbers or type in text, all right, like this. But there are other things also which we can do in Excel using number formatting. All right, so let's try to understand. In the Home tab, you will see this number option, all right, wherein all your number formatting options are given. Let's try to understand these. So in this drop down, you'll see a journal specific format which can be used for text and numbers. And then you just have a number format wherein if you use it, let's see, you get your numbers with decimal places, and you can increase or decrease your decimal places using this. If I press this, the decimal places are decreasing. If I press this, the decimal places are increasing. So this is the number format, and then you can choose the currency format wherein a default currency would show in, and you can use this option to change the currency types. Like you can have English, or sorry, for Indian currency, the US dollar, the British pound, the euro, the Chinese yen, and other currencies. More accounting formats can be found from here. See, Tatter. That's an interesting symbol. So you can do currency formatting from here, and then you can have a date format. All right, so I have already entered a date over here. We can now go ahead, and this is a short format date. You can have it as a longish format date. So it shows us 16th August 2016. There are more date formats also which we will come to. Then you can have the time format. So wherein you see it enters the date and the time over here. So now you can specify the time also, whatever time you want. So it will show the date and the time, and you can extend it like this. See, now there is another format, which is the percentage. Like you have this 200 mentioned over here. You want it to turn into percentage, so you can turn it into percentage. Usually, if you write something, then it will add those extra zeros to turn into a percentage. So it's always good to, like, say you want to calculate the what is 25% of 100. So you will do is equal to 25 divided by 100. You'll get this answer 0.25. Then you click on the percentage symbol and you'll get the right answer. This is how percentage works. And then you have the fraction format, the scientific format, the text format. I can put it back again, see, using the text format. Now there are other options also which you can find. Like, let me click over here. The number format, I can choose the number of decimal places from here. I can choose how negative numbers would look. Should they come up with a negative sign or just with a red color? You can choose currency format from here. A lot of symbols can be seen here. See, way too many symbols. This is one good way of learning how many currencies are there in the world. Seriously, this is way too many. And you have these accounting formats just that we saw. The date formats, see, you can see the example over here. This is how you can have your dates. Your time formats can show up like this. Your percentages, you can have those decimal places. How your fractions would look like, how your scientific calculator would look like. Sorry, how your scientific values would look like. They show up as cropped up versions of big numbers. Text is simple numbers. Special, custom, you can enter custom details also over here. An example to show you something interesting. Say sometimes you want to enter your number as 003625. You press enter, it only shows as 3625. The first two zeros don't show. Now if you want to do that, you need to go to number formatting, go to custom, and here start typing 0000. until the time you find the number of exact zeros. If you want to add two zeros, then you need to enter six zeros over here. So four zeros, the last four zeros would represent the number that is mentioned over here, and the first two zeros would represent the first two zeros you want to have before the number. See. So this is how you use number formatting in Excel. An interesting thing, you need to get used to it to find the perfect balance of things, but most of the commonly used options are mentioned here itself. All right. So this is number formatting for you. See you in the next video.